back. I hope you all are having a wonderful Thursday afternoon. So thank you again so much for being here. It does mean the world to me. Your support, you guys, you'll never know. So just thank you so much. And again, I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So as you can see from the title down below, yes, y'all, yes, we have the first August box. It's actually an September box because it is the Confetti Collection, which is a bi-monthly box. So we get this box every other month. So this kind of is for August and September. For those of you that do not know, Confetti Collection is an amazing subscription and it is only $19.99. That's right, folks. It's only $19.99. Now they do charge $5 for shipping, so your total is $24.99 every other month. But I'm telling you guys, you can't beat it. It is so amazing. I was about to say last month. Last time, got a cute like enamel mug with a floral print, matching napkins, cute stationery stuff, just all kinds of cute, amazing goodies. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Confetti Collection. I definitely recommend it, especially if you like cute stuff. And who doesn't? So, I do want to remind you guys, I have the 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so that link will also be down below. So make sure and head over and enter that if you have not already. So with that, if you are new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. We do all kinds of unboxings, haul videos, reviews, live streams, which are always fun. And last night's live stream, you guys, was epic. It was like the best live stream ever. That was on what is today, the 25th? So Wednesday, July 24th, that live stream, you guys, epic. It ended up being like 3 hours long, but it was the best live stream I have ever had. And I went to bed with a huge smile on my face and such a grateful, grateful heart because you guys are awesome. So yay, I have the best subscribers ever and I love you guys. So definitely, if you are new, go ahead and join our YouTube family, smash that button. And also, as always, make sure you leave a comment down below telling me about your day or what you think of the video. And please do give the video a thumbs up because it really does help me out. So let's get to unboxing this. It comes by FedEx. It was delivered today and I'm like, what? We got our first August? What? Is it about to be fall? Is it not going to be blazing hot? What? So, let's open it up and see what we got. I'm so excited. It always comes packaged so cute. So they bubble wrap and there's always this like adorable, cute confetti, sparkly confetti. Everything is always wrapped up in one sheet here together. And then it's all set on top of the like white and holographic type sparkly. I almost said spaghetti, confetti, or squigglies. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all. I'm so excited. So let's dive in and see what we got. So we can kind of take it out and you see everything is wrapped up here. The Confetti Collection sticker. It says, it says, surprise, plan a party. If you love Confetti Collection, then we know you love a good party. But why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? Well, we're here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. So call your gal pals and let's get this party started. Awesome! So then here is everything all wrapped up again. I see some cute stuff. Oh, I'm excited. And these colors. Like, I don't even know where to begin. Okay. They send the cutest stuff. Oh, these colors. I am just like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I got all that stuff off, and the bottom item is, I have like a piece of the confetti on me, is file folders. So it's 9 of them. It's 3 of each design. And it says, amazing things will happen. Think happy thoughts. And then there's like a just striped one. This one here on top. But you can see the other designs here. Like here, you can see the think happy thoughts one. So there's 3 of each, so 9 file folders. This will actually come in handy. I can use this to somewhat organize myself with all of my YouTube boxes and everything. So that is awesome. And they're so cute and fun. Okay. So there's that. And then they do always include like cute little ribbons, like for gifts or things like that, which I love because this is always great to have on hand. And this color is beautiful. So gorgeous. So that was in there. And then we have, this is a card, and y'all, oh my god, this is so cute. May your life be filled with one good hair day after another. Look at that. That is so adorable. And it says there is a message inside saying, wishing you the simple pleasures in life. And these are actually paper clips, like tasseled paper clips. How adorable. It's a card that is super cute, but then it has 4 cute, adorable, like tassel paper clips. That is awesome. I love that. Oh, I love that. Oh, and it has a magnet. Ah! Okay, I get so excited. It's the little things in life, y'all. So here we have a really super cute to-do list. I love this corally color going on. This peachy coral has a magnet on the back, so this can go on the side of my fridge, which is awesome. And then this is, oh my gosh. I can already tell you that this, without a doubt, is going to be my favorite. It is a pin. It says, Let's Flamingo. And it has this cute little flamingo charm that dangles from it, y'all. How cute is this? And it's like rose gold. Oh, it's all fancy. It's like a bougie pin. I'm loving it. Yes. All right, and then we have, oh, I love this. It says, make today count. Again, these colors are matching and amazing. And when you open it, it says memo paper. It's 200 sheets, and it has today's date and to do. How adorable is that? And then it's a magnetic closure. This is so stinking adorable. I love this right here. So this is definitely going with like the theme of plan a party. You can do your to-do list and everything, which is awesome. You could do like a shopping list on one of those if you needed to. So that's awesome. And then the final 2 items go together. And this obviously is perfect for a party. We have 40 napkins, which are super cute. And these, I love the coloring of these flowers because these work, I feel, for summer or heading into fall. So that is fantastic. How freaking adorable. Ah! And we have 16, it says coated luncheon plates, and they match. So we have some plates, we have some napkins, we can throw a party, have a little get together. Yes. Are these not gorgeous? Like, I just think these are so gorgeous. And like I said, these colors, because you got the orange and then like this burnt orangey red, this definitely goes summer into fall, which is fantastic. Oh. So we have our napkins and our plates. The cute little memo pad here. The cute Let's Flamingo charm pin. The magnetic to-do list. We had the ribbons, or the ribbon and the curling ribbon. This gorgeous card that I think is so cute. The message is super sweet. And then the fact that these actually are paper clips, I think is so awesome and unique. I've never seen a card like that, and I love it. And then these gorgeous file folders to help keep us organized. Yay! So I am so tickled with this box, y'all. What do y'all think? I think it is so adorable. So, like I said, let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to enter the 4,000 subscriber giveaway, and have a fantastic day. I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Bye.